How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you land to the profile page, if you have enabled professional account, you're gonna find this professional dashboard in your profile page. Now how to disable it? For that, navigate to these three bars given at the top right corner. Once you land to settings and activity page, here you're gonna find different sections. Scrolling down, you're gonna find the section of for professionals. Under that, you'll find the option of business tools and controls. Click on that option. Then click on the option of switch account type. You'll get the pop-up, switch to personal account, switch to creator account. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna switch to personal account. And just for that, you have disabled professional account on your Instagram. This way you can easily turn off professional account on Instagram. Now I can head towards your profile page. The professional dashboard will be removed. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.